Now, former Attorney General Martin Amidu has criticized the Attorney General's decision to discontinue the trial of Dr. Duffour and 7 others involved in the Unibank collapse, saying the decision smashes of a textbook example of governance of family, friends, and cronies, and of corruption. Here, excerpts of his latest episode you see on the screen in a bit. So there you have it. It says that the recovery of the proceeds of crime in a criminal trial can only be justified where a crime has really been committed. Otherwise, the process of criminal justice will be used by the state or rogue public officials as an instrument of extortion from persons suspected of financial crimes or doing favor for the government's family, friends, and cronies, as in this case, in the name of asset recovery of percentages of alleged financial crimes without any interest paid on the assets expropriated and profited from 4 years. And it continues that what is the need of the Republic of Ghana extorting monies from Duffour and his cohort of accused persons if they do not admit any guilt and the Republic is capable of achieving recovery at civil law? This cannot be criminal justice administration. It is high corruption and abuse of power by the government in the name of asset recovery. For his company, Holder Holdings lawyer told the High Court on 12 February 2020 that the charges preferred against his client as grossly misconceived and lacking any legal basis whatsoever. How come that as Attorney General, those charges now have merit to warrant an opaque negotiated settlement for 60% of the undisclosed total sum, whether with interest or without interest? There's more than meets the eye in the government's decision to resort to the stratagem of nolle prosequi to abort a fair and impartial hearing of the case. Well, Mr. Martin Amidu continues that the government's decision to abort the trial in Republic versus Duffour and 7 others under the rubric of the exercise of prosecutorial discretion smacks of a textbook example of governance of family, friends, and cronies that also smells of high corruption. It is important that patriotic citizens step forward and speak the truth to the government to stop playing tricks with the intellect of the electorate with cheap psychological media operations in the name of being accountable and transparent. I have spoken up. What of you, fellow citizen? Let's put Ghana first. So that's the latest episode from the former Auditor General, Martin Amidu.